How's it going, YouTube? Barman for TVape, and today we have a guide on how to clean an e-rig. And make sure you stick around to the end as well, because we are giving away this sweet Rick and Morty poster. To clean your e-rig, you will need Zeus Purify Solution or isopropyl alcohol, paper towels, Zeus grime sticks or cotton swabs, 2 containers, a wire cleaning brush, and finally, warm water. Warning! You will be working with electronic devices and water, meaning you must be extra careful. At all costs, avoid getting water anywhere near the base of the unit or the battery connectors. And before you begin, I recommend watching this entire video first, as it contains several warnings about cleaning methods that could potentially damage your unit. Let's begin. To start, disassemble your e-rig. This typically involves removing your atomizer and bubbler from the base of the unit. Next, prepare your cleaning solution. If you don't have a bottle of Zeus Purify on you, you can create a solution of 60% warm water and 40% isopropyl alcohol. Saturate your cotton swab with Zeus Purify or ISO solution and wipe away at the atomizer. Let the atomizer dry off completely for 10 minutes and your atomizer is good to go. Warning! Do not use a hard tool to scrape at your atomizer. If you do this, you are running the risk of breaking or cracking your ceramic atomizer. Another warning, do not soak your atomizer in your ISO solution. This can potentially damage electrical components in your atomizer. If your device has a dry herb atomizer like the Focus V Carb 2, you can kill 2 birds with 1 stone, or clean 2 birds with 1 grime stick? Moving on, to clean your bubbler, fill it with your warm water and ISO solution and allow it to sit for anywhere from 10 to 30 minutes. Pro tip, don't get Zeus Purify solution all over your table. Once the caked on wax is loose, you can use a wire cleaning brush to get into all the nooks and crannies. Now, some of you might be wondering, what about the salt cleaning method like you would with a traditional water pipe? The problem is that that's not a one-size-fits-all solution, and devices with small openings, like the Focus V Carb 2, aren't big enough for large granules of salt. A wire cleaning brush can be very handy for e-rigs with smaller openings like the Focus V Carb 2. Warning, warning, warning! Avoid using hot or boiling water. Hot water runs the risk of cracking your bubbler, rendering your e-rig useless. Treat your water as if you're bathing a baby, which should hit home if you love your e-rig as much as I do. Avoid hot water altogether. You'll thank me later. All that's left is your carb cap, which can be wiped down the same way as your atomizer was. Rigs like the Crossing Core 2 allow for the carb cap to be easily removed and replaced, making cleanup less of a hassle. Something worth considering when choosing an e-rig out. To rinse out your freshly cleaned atomizer, wet a paper towel with a little bit of water and wipe your bowl before leaving it to dry on a new paper towel sheet. To rinse your dried bubbler, simply fill and empty the glass before placing it upside down on a dry paper towel to air dry. I usually like doing a few rinses under the sink to be absolutely sure there's no more ISO left in my bubbler. And just like that, you are ready to reassemble your now sparkly e-rig. We recommend running a session with your bowl on empty to burn off any leftover residue or ISO. You only get 2 lungs in this life, so we seriously advise taking any and all measures to protect them. Now, why clean an e-rig at all? Look, we get it. The last thing you want to think about after ripping a fat bowl is cleaning, and while admittedly daunting, cleaning your e-rig regularly has a myriad of long-term benefits. For starters, your e-rig's components will last far longer, saving you money. Waxy gunk and small electrical components don't get along well, and enough built-up gunk can sneak up on you to render your rig useless. Regular cleaning of your e-rig will also help in keeping the good flavors in and the bad flavors out. Built-up residue, or reclaim, is leftover wax that gets left in your device. Enthusiasts are advised against using and consuming reclaim, as the already burnt compounds create a more harsh hit. As always, we are giving away the poster, as seen behind me. So if you're looking to win this sweet Rick and Morty poster, make sure you like this video, hit subscribe, and comment down below, and you could be entered to win. We would also like to send a congratulations over to YouTube user Lizzie Was Here, who won our Avengers poster. Congratulations, Lizzie, you're our lucky winner. So Lizzie, please leave us a comment down below in order to claim your prize. If you're a wax enthusiast like myself, chances are you also own a wax pen. And if your wax pen needs cleaning, you can check out our post all about that, or you can Google us at how to clean a wax pen TVape. And that's our guide. Oh, paper towel, still on the desk. And that's our guide on how to clean an e-rig. Did you agree? Did we leave anything out? Why can't we be friends? Why can't we be friends? I mean, look at him. Make sure you let us know in the comment section down below. And as always, make sure you like this video to loosen the lug nuts, comment down below to raise your vehicle off the ground slightly, and hit subscribe to place the spare tire in the axle. I've been Varmin for TVape, and to all my connoisseurs out there, keep on vaping.